Have you ever wondered? A stock that was 850 yesterday is 790 today and 880 the next week? Well, stock prices don't move randomly. Every tick, every fall, every jump, it all happens for a reason. In this video, we'll break down why exactly the stock prices fluctuate and how can you start making sense of these market moves as a smart investor. First, we'll start with the basics. What moves a stock price? Let's start simple. The price of stock is determined by one thing, demand and supply. जब किसी स्टॉक की डिमांड बढ़ती है तो उसकी प्राइस ऊपर जाती है और जब सप्लाई ज़्यादा हो जाती है तो प्राइस नीचे गिर जाती है. But the real question is, what creates this demand and supply? Let's break it down into four major categories. These are the most rational drivers of the stock prices, especially in the long run. First is company performance, revenue growth, profitability, margins and earning per share, that is EPS. जब एक कंपनी स्ट्रॉन्ग क्वार्टरली रिपोर्ट दिखाती है तो इन्वेस्टर उसमें बाय करते हैं, इससे डिमांड इंक्रीज होती है और प्राइस ऊपर चली जाती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, Infosys declared better than expected Q3 results, so the prices went up 8% on the next day. Second is industry outlook. If the entire sector is expected to grow, stocks in that space often move together. For example, electric vehicle push in India, so auto and battery stocks rally. Third is management commentary and guidance. Even if the results are average, positive future guidance can drive the stock prices higher. Fourth is valuation. Sometimes a good company becomes too expensive, so investors start booking profits. Always remember, good company is not equals to good investment. Valuation matters. Now we'll talk about the market sentiment, that is the psychological factor. Even if the fundamentals are the same, the sentiments can swing the prices. First is news and headlines. Regulatory changes, policy announcement, CEO resignation, geopolitical tensions, all these can affect the stock prices. For example, Russia-Ukraine war announcement, the global markets crashed by 2 to 3% in a single day. Second is fear and greed. The market moves in cycles, euphoria leads to bubbles and panic leads to crashes. कई बार प्राइस रैली सिर्फ फोमो की वजह से होती है, फंडामेंटल्स की वजह से नहीं. थर्ड इज रूमर्स एंड सोशल मीडिया. इन द एज ऑफ ट्विटर एंड टेलीग्राम, एक न्यूज़ भी स्टॉक की प्राइस को 10% ऊपर या नीचे कर सकती है. दैट्स व्हाई स्मार्ट इन्वेस्टर्स ऑलवेज वेरीफाई द न्यूज़ फर्स्ट rather than just reacting to it. Now we'll talk about the technical factors, that is the short-term movement. First is institutional buying and selling. Mutual funds, FIIs have huge capital. जब ये लोग बल्क में बाय या सेल करते हैं तो प्राइस में शार्प मूवमेंट आता है. सेकेंड इज ट्रेडिंग वॉल्यूम्स. हाई वॉल्यूम इक्वल्स टू स्ट्रॉन्ग इंटरेस्ट equals to higher volatility. Third is technical levels, support, resistance, breakout levels. These trigger automated buy or sell from the traders. For example, a breakout above 500 resistance with volume can take the stock to 520 to 540 very quickly. Fourth is short covering and derivatives. In F&O stocks, जब short sellers exit the position, stocks में तेजी से rally आ सकती है. Now we'll talk about the macro factors. That is the bigger picture drivers. Sometimes even the best stocks fall, not because of their own performance, but because of the global cues. First is interest rates. If the RBI hikes the repo rate, so the borrowing cost increases, it slows down the economy, the stock prices may correct. Second is inflation and currency movement. High inflation meaning low purchasing power. Rupee depreciation equals to IT and export stock gain, but the import heavy businesses might suffer. Third is global market trends. US market crash, so India market भी impact होगा. We are a part of the global system. Sentiments travel across borders. Now we'll talk about a case study, that is what drives price intraday versus the long term. Let's take a stock like the HDFC Bank. In intraday, moves based on volume, technical levels and news updates. In short term, the quarterly results, RBI policy and sector rotation. And in long term, loan book quality, NPA trends, management trust and macro outlook. Short term में market voting machine है और long term में weighing machine है. Price is not just a number. It is a reflection of stories, sentiments and strategies, all playing out in real time. So next time when you see a stock fall or rise, don't just ask what happened. Ask why did it happen? Because understanding the why helps you stay ahead of the crowd. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and do comment below and let us know which factor according to you affects the stock prices the most, the fundamentals or the emotion. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Happy investing.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. The securities quoted are exemplary and are not recommendatory.